What is the value of angle alpha? Label points A, B, C, D, E, and F. It implies that from triangle EAD, using cosine rule, the square of line AD equals the sum of the square of line A, E, and the square of line D, E minus the product of two, line AE, line D, E, and cosine 60 degrees. Substitute values, and we have the square of line AD equals the sum of the square of 4 and the square of 6 minus the product of 2, 4, 6 and cosine 60 degrees, which is equals to 28 after simplification. Find the square root of the equation, and we have that line AD equals the square root of 28, which equals 2 times the square root of 7. We call it equation 1. Let angle AD, EB equals to beta. This implies that AD divided by sine 60 degrees equals AE divided by sine beta. Substitute values. Thus, 2 times the square root of 7 divided by sine 60 degrees equals 4 divided by sine beta. Cross multiply, and we have that sine beta equals the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 7 after simplification. Thus, sine beta equals the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 7. We call it equation 2. Consider triangle EDC. Angle D equals 60 degrees. It is because ABD is a regular trapezium. Using cosine rule, we have that the square of line EC equals the sum of the square of line C, D, and the square of line D, E minus the product of 2, line C, D, line D, E, and cosine D. Substitute values. We obtained equation for the square of line EC is shown on the screen. Simplifying this equation, we have that the square of line EC equals 28. Take the square root of the equation, and we have that the length of line EC equals to 2 times the square root of 7. From triangle CED, use sine rule and let angle CED equals K. Line C D divided by sine K equals line EC divided by sine D. Substitute values, and we have that 2 divided by sine K equals the product of 2 times the square root of 7 divided by sine 60 degrees. Cross multiply and solve for sine K. Thus, sine K equals the square root of 3 divided by the product of 2 times the square root of 7. But the sum of angle K and angle beta equals to angle CFD. It is because the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of two opposite interior angles of the triangle. Also, angle CFD equals alpha. It is because vertical opposite angles are equal. Thus, alpha equals the sum of angle K and angle beta. But sine beta equals the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 7. Take the sine inverse of the equation, and we have that beta equals sine inverse of the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 7. And sine k equals the square root of 3 divided by 2 times the square root of 7. Take the sine inverse of the equation, and we have that k equals sine inverse of the square root of 3 divided by 2 times the square root of 7. Thus, alpha equals the sum of angle K and angle beta, which equals to 60 degrees after substitution of values and simplification. Therefore, alpha equals 60 degrees.